Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Shadcn has released another new exciting feature for developers, and the new feature is this Shadcn Create. Build your own Shadcn UI. If you go to the Shadcn official website, there you will find this new button which is the Create. And here in this option, you can create your own custom component with your own style. If you go to this official post, here you see customize everything. Pick your component library, icons, base color, theme, fonts, everything you can change according to your choice. And here you see now available for this Next.js, Vite, TanStack Start and V0. So any React project, any Next.js project will be supported for this Shadcn create new feature. How it will work, let's see. But before that, if you don't know what is Shadcn, it is basically a library for creating the UI components. Here you will get all of the dummy component code for free, like you want to integrate one calendar feature or chart feature or card, accordion, button, carousel. All of that code you will get here for free. And also this Shadcn is very popular for its lightness and also its simplification, means simpleness. Okay, so here you see that for this simple carousel, you will get the simple code from their website. Just copy paste these things and it will work. Now, how this new create feature will be helpful for all of the developers? Here you see, if you click on this create, you will get this kind of UI. And now here on the right hand side, you will find some of the options. Now let me place myself on the left hand side so that you can get the full view. So what options we have? This is the component library, the first option, Redux UI or base UI. There are two UI component library, Redux and base. Both are popular. You can choose any one. I personally prefer Redux UI, so I am keeping it as it is. Now for the style, you see that there are some style like Vega, Nova, Maya and Lyra and Mira or Myra, whatever the pronunciation. And here you see that when I will change the style, you will see that the submit button style also will get changed. How? Here you see if I choose Nova, you see that it got kind of round corner. For the Maya and means it is more round, and this Lyra it will like not, there is no round corner. And for Myra small round corner, and also the button size got reduced. Okay, so this is a difference. And whatever the style you want to prefer, you can choose that. I personally prefer this Nova. And after that, the base color, whatever the base color you want to keep, you can select that. Here you see the whole base color is getting changed. Now next is the theme. What is theme color? Means if I select this green, the button color is getting changed. So this is a theme color. And after that, icon library means here you see that they have integrated this lucid icon. And this font, you can choose the font also. So all of these fonts are actually production ready, and this is the industry standard fonts that they have kept. Okay, these fonts are actually used in industry very frequently, so that's why they have kept these fonts. And this is the radius, means small radius or medium radius. If you change it, then you will see that the button radius also getting changed. Okay, and also not only button, the card, or this, suppose this is a card or this is a div, the radius also will get changed according to your selection. And this shuffle is the important things, like you are not getting there which one you should choose, then just click on this try random, then it will give you some random options. And if you find anything according to your choice, then you can select that also, or you can lock that style. Now, after your selection is done, what you can do that on the right hand side, you will find this create project. Click on this create project, and now you will find this Next.js, TanStack Start or Vite. Now, if you are working in React, then you can select this Vite, and if you are working on Next.js, then you can select Next.js. And now here you see that PNPM, NPM, and yarn burn. you will find this kind of options. Now select anyone and copy this whole command, and here you see that in this command you will find these preset options, like whatever you have selected, whatever the style you have selected, be it will be included in this command as a preset theme. So normally when we make the Shadcn project, then what do we do? That npx Shadcn at that latest create, right? Normally this much we do, but with the help of new feature, we can actually select the preset styling, so that when you are making the project and you want to keep yourself to locked in a specific style to follow inside your project. Okay, suppose you have a team of 4 members, and you want to lock yourself to a specific style of Shadcn. Then if others are working, then if they include any button or any accordion or any extra feature of Shadcn inside that project, then your predefined style will be reflected inside their component also. So all over the projects, your styling will remain consistent. Okay, this is very important, right? So copy this and open your terminal or command prompt and there paste it. Here you see that I have pasted it, and after that it will install all of the dependencies. Now it will ask there what is your project name, blah blah blah, just give all of that information, and the project initiation is completed. Now open that inside the VS Code, and after that here you see that there is a component example tsx file. Now if I just open it in localhost port 3000, here you see that I have this button color. Why? Because I have selected this styling. Here you see that theme is emerald, emerald, emerald. Okay, and this is the component UI, Radix UI, and style is the this Maya style. Okay, and here you see. Okay, now this is the tutorial, or this is the new feature that Shadcn has published. I hope you got the idea that why this new feature will be helpful for you guys. So please use it, and please let me know your thought, your experience in the comment section. And if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.